Most people believe they are building a fortress. They contribute every month, look at the rising numbers on a digital screen, and feel a sense of safety. They think they've won the game before it's even finished. But here is the reality you aren't supposed to hear. Your 401k isn't a vault, it's a contract with a partner who can change the rules whenever they feel like it. That partner is the government, and right now they are $34 trillion in debt. You think your money is safe because it's yours, but in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why the 401k might be the most sophisticated trap ever designed by the financial elite. If you don't understand the 3 hidden levers being pulled behind the scenes, you aren't saving for retirement. You're subsidizing a system that doesn't care if you survive it. I'm not here to tell you to stop investing. I'm here to decode the mechanism. Most experts tell you to set it and forget it. That is the most dangerous advice you will ever receive. Set it and forget it is a phrase designed for sheep. It's designed to keep you passive, while the fees, the taxes, and the inflation erode your purchasing power in the dark. Today, we are deconstructing the 3 leaks in your 401k fortress. By the end of this video, you will know exactly if your money is safe, or if you are just a passenger on a sinking ship. Let's talk about the tax-deferred lie. They tell you it's a benefit. Don't pay taxes now, they say. Pay them later when you're in a lower tax bracket. Pause. Think about that logic. You are betting that in 20 or 30 years, tax rates will be lower than they are today. Does that sound like the trajectory of a country with record-breaking debt? Does the government usually ask for less money when they're broke? No. By using a traditional 401k, you are giving the government a blank check. You are building the house, doing the chores, and paying the mortgage. But the government owns an undecided percentage of the equity. They get to decide what that percentage is the day you want to move in. If taxes double by the time you retire, your $1 million nest egg is actually $500,000. You did 100% of the work for 50% of the reward. That isn't an investment, that's a partnership where you have no vote. The second leak is silent. It's the fees. You see 0.5%, 1%, or 1.5%. It looks small, it looks insignificant. But 1% over 40 years doesn't take 1% of your money. It takes nearly 30% of your final balance. Why? Because that money never got to compound. You're paying the fund managers to gamble with your money. If they win, they take a cut. If they lose, you take the loss, and they still take their cut. This is the management paradox. The system is designed to reward the middleman, regardless of the outcome. You are the one carrying the risk. They are the ones carrying the profit. If you haven't looked at your expense ratio in the last 6 months, you are being bled dry in silence. Finally, the most dangerous part, the golden handcuffs. Your 401k is safe from you, but you are also locked away from it. If a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity appears tomorrow, a real estate deal, a business venture, a chance to change your life, your money is trapped behind a 10% penalty wall and a mountain of red tape. The system wants your money illiquid. It wants you dependent on the 9-to-5 cycle until you're 65. It wants you to be a good citizen who feeds the machine. Wealth isn't just a number on a screen. Wealth is optionality. If you cannot move your capital when the world changes, you aren't wealthy. You are just a well-funded prisoner. So, is your 401k safe? It's safe from total disappearance, yes, but it is not safe from erosion. It is not safe from the whims of a desperate government, and it is not safe from the greed of Wall Street. Here is the decoded strategy. 1. The match-only rule. Contribute only what your employer matches. That is a 100% return. Everything else, you need to control it. 2. The Roth pivot. If you believe taxes will rise, the Roth 401k or IRA is your only shield. Pay the tax now so you own the future. 3. The self-directed path. Look into moving your capital into assets you actually control. Real assets, hard assets.
The 401k was never meant to be your entire retirement plan. It was meant to be a supplement. Don't let the marketing convince you otherwise. Most people will watch this, feel a moment of unease, and go back to setting and forgetting. They will be the ones wondering where their wealth went in 20 years. But you are still here. If you want to understand the systems that keep the majority average, stay with us. We don't do hype, we do deconstruction. Subscribe if you're ready to see the world for what it is. Stay disciplined.